Okay, so your wife tells you that you're not rinsing the dishes before you put them in the dishwasher because they're not getting clean. And so I decided to see if there was a filter or two in my Kenmore dishwasher, and sure enough there was. You don't need any tools to remove it, the filter, or to replace it. You might want to use a soft bristle brush to clean the screen. Here's some of the junk that I took out of that filter. No wonder my dishes weren't getting clean. So I'm going to rinse this real quick. There's two filters to this, so there's that one and this one. Doesn't matter if you put them back in wet or not, because they go in the dishwasher. So I'm going to put this one back in first. Sorry for the poor lighting. That sits flush like that. You can hear it snap into place. This one here drops down in there like that, and you just turn it clockwise till it locks. You don't have to force it. But if you have hard water like we do here, you get a lot of calcium deposits, and that doesn't do anybody any good. I'm going to have to take that back out because it's not sealed right. So make sure you take an extra minute to fit that under the tabs. There's a tab here and a tab back here that this one fits in. Again, you just drop this down in there, turn it back clockwise till it stops, and you're done. So hopefully this helps you.